Hello, welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 5 minutes. I'm your host, Willie. Today is the day we talk about Ilus's second quarter results. Do you see Mr. Northington? He's subscribed in style, and so can you. Subscribe in style with Morris Money. To start with, the company increased its revenue over the same quarter in 2021 by 588% and by 553% over the first quarter of 2022. And the company said it is on track to exceed its annual run rate revenue forecast. Now, I had a commenter break down the run rate revenue. This is estimating the upcoming year's revenue by multiplying the current quarter's revenue by 4, obviously because there's 4 quarters. So, for example, right now, Ilus has revenues of $19.6 million. If we multiply that by 4, the Ilus has a rough estimated run rate revenue of $80 million for the year. That aside, let's look at the highlights for the 3 months ending June 30th, 2022. Revenue was $19.6 million. Another thing I found surprising, which I've actually talked about with somebody in the comments, is I wasn't sure if Ilus was profitable, and they've proved me wrong. The company had a net profit of $1.1 million. They had an EBITDA of $1.6 million, assets of $55 million, and working capital of $9.6 million. Progress during the second quarter included Ilus acquiring the majority stake of the fully reporting OTCQB company Wikisoft Corp., which then underwent a name and ticker change to Quality Industrial. QIND has signed a binding letter of intent to acquire 51% of a United Arab Emirates-based process equipment manufacturer, which is generating more than $100 million in annual revenue. Following its participation at the FDIC exhibition in Indianapolis in April, where the Ilus Group product range gained positive attention from potential U.S. and international customers, the company continued to focus on business development and improvement of the business within its group. Ilus has been especially pleased with the progress made by Georgia Fire Rescue, which delivered its strongest quarterly performance to date after moving into its new, larger facility. Steady growth has been delivered across the board within the group, and with the third quarter already well underway, Ilus is confident of an even stronger performance in its third and fourth quarters. During the third quarter, Ilus expects its audit to be complete, following which it plans to file its Form 10 with the SEC to become a fully reporting entity, change its registered name, and apply to OTC markets to uplist from the OTC Pink Market to OTCQB. The company is also progressing with closing negotiations for important acquisitions, which will add specialized technology, additional manufacturing capability, and further significant revenue to the group. Ilus also plans to make important announcements regarding its roadmap and important milestones during this period. The managing director of Ilus, John Paul Backwell, commented, "We have delivered very impressive growth during the second quarter, and we are just starting to get into our stride as a global company which aims to become a dominant conglomerate. With even bigger deals on the table and so many exciting developments taking place behind the scenes, we are thrilled about all that the back half of the year holds in store for our company and our shareholders." Wow, wow, and wow. Definitely an impressive quarter for the company. And again, I must say, I didn't know that they were a profitable company. So to hear this makes me even more bullish. I bought more Ilus stock earlier today, and I'm going to continue selling because at least the last time I've seen the chart, it looked like the stock was selling off a bit. So this means nothing but another opportunity for long-term shareholders to buy more stock. The next potential catalyst ahead for shareholders, besides Ilus announcing maybe another acquisition, is their audit. We'll get deeper into the financials, and I think that these second quarter results might have just been an appetizer until we can get the full audit and see their full balance sheet. But let me know what you think about all this below. I'm definitely excited as an Ilus shareholder, and I hope you are too. Please don't take this video as financial advice, and thank you for watching Morris Money. People all over are tuning in for their nightly entertainment. Let's see what they're listening to. Of course, Morris Money. No reason to pay. Subscribe for free so you can always tune in.